up was the heart of the desert, and it's pretty hot in here. This is Lachin with me, and she's just chilling too. And right now we're at the top of a rock, and there's a specific spot that you can make wishes and just throw your coins in, and I'm gonna show that in a second.
Ailerim videosu için ilk mention dans elvi Sağ Cemal Sağ Ailer такая цепочка.
Just made it to the first crater with water in it, and it also has some gas because you could see bubbles. And this hole appeared after the geologists started tried to get some gas, but they didn't do any calculations, so it just pretty much fell down. I don't know if it's visible, but right there you can see that the gas is bubbling, so this crater still is producing some gas in it. Made it to crater number 2, and this one has a little bit of fire in it. Not this one, but that fire. And we will be on our way to the crater number 3, which one? The one that is pretty much the biggest, right? So we just made it to the 3rd crater, pretty much the door to hell, and there are way more people here, and I'll be showing you the hole in a second. It's super hot, and the weather is even hotter, and the wind is blowing that heat to you, and I feel like I'm being roasted on a fire, but I think the view is definitely worth it, and I'll be able to show it to you in about a sec. Told you earlier, it is still super hot, and I was thinking that Ashgabat was hot, but it turns out that when you have this mind-blowing hot wind blowing at you, it's actually reverse, right, Lachin? But it's definitely epic. doesn't do the justice, but it's a massive black hole that is burning right in front of us. And I think everyone, whenever you get a chance to, should definitely check this out. This has a very beautiful view, and it's pretty much breathtaking because you won't see anything like this anywhere in the world. So welcome to the door to hell.